ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನೇಳಿ?
ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಂಜಯ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್.
ಸಂಜಯ್ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಊರು ನಿಮ್ಮದು?
ನಾನು ಬೆಳಗಾಮವನು, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್.
Bangalore. How old you are?
I am 42.
40. What you are doing?
I am into business, sir.
Wonderful. See, you have taken miracle drinks and its home remedies and all.
Yes.
And let me know that how actually you got the relief from rheumatoid arthritis.
Sir,
And before that, I am telling you why I am taking this. Testimonials is basically entire world. The persons who are suffering from this disease, I can say this is a disorder, so to say. So those people, can have a ray of hope.
correct.
That
Yes,
we can. So kindly let me know that
Yeah.
since how long you are taking,
Yeah.
and how it was since how many years you had this problem, and what is the status? What percentage
Fine.
you had the relief?
Yeah. See, I have been, I have come to Miracle Drinks here last 6 months back, and I was given a complete, what do you say,
Protocol.
day-to-day protocol, what needs to be followed and all that. And I started taking it seriously because I had seen the other testimonials also earlier, other feedbacks also. Based on that, I also got the positive feedback, and based on that, I also started taking the medicines. With that, with early in the morning, I took this S1, S2, and S3. These 3 drinks early in the morning before brushing. I had to take that with warm water. Then after that, after 15-20 minutes, 30 minutes, I was taking this ginger and garlic, 5 or 6 cloves of garlic, and 1 to 2 inch of ginger. I used to chew it raw, and I used to then after that, after 30 minutes, I started taking the Agsay Majige, that is the
Flaxseed
lassi. After that, my day-to-day activities is to start. What relief I have seen is I think I have gone through some 50 to 60% changes. Earlier, my day used to start with I was not able to stretch my legs. The pain was so unbearable that I could not do my extra activities. I was not able to concentrate on my business. Today the stage is I can go to my stores. I can talk to my people. I can see what is happening in the store every day. I'm able to manage that with less amount of pains. The pains is still there, but it is all bearable pains. It is not that there are no pains. The pains are there. Those are bearable pains, which I was not able to do anything earlier. After 6 months of continuous follow up and with Miracle Drinks, I should say at least 60 to 70%. I have relief with 60 to 70% today.
Wonderful. How long you had this problem?
I've been having this rheumatoid for last 14 years.
Very
The
good.
one thing which ruined my entire health was allopathy medicine. I have to say that because I was put on steroids, I was put on NSAIDs drugs. All these were given. They used to inject steroids into my stomach, and the effect was so bad that I lost all my hair, my skin all turned black, and my entire lifestyle was changed. I lost somewhere around 25 to 30 kgs. And other than that, because of allopathy, they say there is a gift. Because of the allopathy medicine, I also got as a gift thyroid. I got as a gift from allopathy medicine. Then I completely decided that I will not take continue with allopathy medicines anymore. I stopped it. I was taking Ayurvedic medicines. Then I got some, but the result was not that good, or it was not as I see now. After Miracle Drinks, the results were there with Ayurvedic, but it was taking too much of time, as well as I was mentally not prepared to take the time it was taking. So someone suggested me, because one day I had seen it in a newspaper about Miracle Drinks, Times of India. There was an article. In a small advertisement. Then I said I will go about it. Then I googled. Then I got the information. Then I came here. They also gave me a positive feedbacks, and after that I started taking. today here I'm with 60% okay with my
Wonderful.
with the disease. I think another for 6 months, next 6 months, I think probably I should be completely out of rheumatoid arthritis.
Wonderful. Great. You and I too had the rheumatoid arthritis. That's the reason why
I've
I
seen
have
your
started this,
testimonials, sir.
you
I've
know,
seen based on that
research
only,
in 1981. Yes.
Because of that only, we also got some positive.
Yes, yes,
That he can
yes.
cure it by question time.
Yes, yes. Because, you know, this is basically autoimmune disease generally. But now I am seeing that out of 10, 4 to 5 cases are getting a very good results. I am very happy that you are here. Thank you very much. Thank you.